Hi guys, that's a very quick unboxing and review of the CJRB, or the more affordable brand of artisan cutlery. This is the model is Taiga, and the model number, as you see, is focus please, J1903-GYF. GYF stands for gray. This comes in a sort of a grayish grayish bluish candle. D2 steel, lanyard hole. Yep, right side positioned clip, very good retention, good strength. Yep. Close to 3.1 millimeters. Of D2 steel. Let me try to zoom that in natural. Yep. It is Chinese made blade, but I think this is a phenomenal deal. I got this from like less than 50 bucks from Knife Country, and this is fantastic price for the quality and for a D2 steel blade. Ball bearing pivot, seated dimple here, nice positive retention. Yep. Clean back, clean flipper. Yep. Very clean flipper, nothing on it. Yep. .25 millimeters width. Alright. Yep. 89 millimeters blade. Let me see how it is in inches. Alright. 3.5 inches. 3.5 inches. 1 inch wide blade. What I like most about it is the design and how it feels into a left-handed person like myself. I really like that it sits this way on my finger, closer to my palm here. This a little bit lifted, so the left of the liner long feels really that I can exert really strong grip on it. I don't really need any ridges here because I have only a downward force. Maybe some on the flipper would have been nice, but kind of works without them too. Operation is nice and smooth. Not spring assisted, just the regular bare pivot, ball bearing pivot. G10 scales that look phenomenal. Stainless steel liner. 1, 2, 3 points. With contact, very good. Tolerances, no wobble whatsoever. Very good retention, no wobble. No. Excellent knife for this amount of money. This is excellent knife. Very good craftsmanship. Very good. Way to maintain it, clean it in the future. There are not a lot of things that can collect dirt or grime or something like this. Easy to clean, easy to maintain, easy to carry open without any kind of sheath in your pocket. Very good daily knife. D2 steel might be a bit too hard to, to sharpen, but once you do it, it will hold an edge for quite a while. Stone washed. It's nice. Very good deal, very good knife. CJRB Taiga. Thanks for watching. Bye.